Hi guys, Brad McKinnon here, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to share something with you a little bit different. I wanted to share something that I think every drywaller, drywall finisher, plasterer, taper and jointer around the world should know about and should listen to and download, and that is the Drywall podcast. It is obviously a podcast hosted by an American drywaller called Nick Harmon. You might have heard of him. He's quite famous now around the world because of this. He interviews people around the world, and just really interesting to find out about these people, these drywallers, these finishers, these tapers and jointers, just to learn their story, learn about how they got into the trade, learn where they were brought up and where they've traveled to. And it's really interesting to hear these stories because you see these people every day on social media, especially on Instagram. So he's up to about his 140th episode. So there's a lot of interviews on there, all on the usual platforms, Spotify and YouTube and Apple as well. So you can go on there and download the podcast and listen to all the episodes. And there's some really interesting ones on there. He's interviewed a lot of the tool manufacturers, the owners or the CEOs, and that's interesting, learning about what they've got in the pipeline, how they started up, and he's also interviewed some of the big names you might have heard of, Teak Interiors, the Gilbert sisters. I mean, they're on YouTube as well. Drywall Shorty, Lydia, she's really famous on the social platforms, and then there's the smaller people as well. So it's really interesting, and I thought about doing a video recently to share my story and to sort of share how I got into the trade and where I've traveled and what I've done to learn the trade and where I've worked around the world. And because now I've got quite a good following on YouTube, I'm up to over 5,000 subscribers, so there's some loyal people there watching my videos every week. I thought they might want to know a little bit more about me, but then recently I got actually interviewed on Nick's Drywall podcast. So I was thinking, instead of doing a video about myself, why not just direct you to his podcast where you can download it and you can listen to my story. We talk about how I got into the trade, where I traveled to around the world and did my trade, and also some of the other things I've done in my life, which you might find interesting, you might not find interesting. It's entirely up to you whether you go and listen to it or not. But I highly recommend that every drywaller, drywall finisher, taper, plasterer listens to some of these episodes. Go through the list, see who you know. It's really good to learn stuff. Also, Nick is an awesome guy. He's an awesome interviewer. Plus, he is also the owner and inventor of a product called Fresco Harmony. Now, if you don't know what this is or you've never heard of it, it's an affordable alternative to Venetian plaster. Venetian plaster can get quite expensive, as we all know. So he's come up with this product where it's pretty much just a bottle of colour. So there's a variety of colours. He's got a colour chart there, and you add that to your normal bucket of plaster, your bucket of pre-mixed multi-purpose compound, mix it up, you've got a colour, and then you can just adhere that to the wall, skim that on the wall. You can go over any substrate, it's painted. You do a base coat in the colour, you can do a second coat in the same colour, you can add colours, you can do all kind of stuff, very similar to the Venetian plaster. And I highly recommend checking out his YouTube channel, his Instagram channel. I'll put all the links down in the description, and that's in itself worth finding out about. And if you're interested in that sort of artistic side of the plastering, there's a lot of people now using this product around the world. So I'm sure you'll see it through the social medias. So yeah, check those out. He's a great guy, and I think we did a pretty cool interview. So if you're interested, I'll put all the link down in my description. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is a little bit different for me. Thanks to all my subscribers for tuning in every week. I've still got plenty more in the pipeline to do. So stick around for those, and yeah, download the Drywall podcast, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.